Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to compare Cash App versus PayPal about the fees. So let's get further into the video. First, sending money, personal transactions. First, let's talk about sending money to friends and family. On Cash App, sending money using your Cash App balance or a linked debit card is completely free. However, you use a credit card, there is a 3% fee on the amount you send. On other hand, on PayPal, you sending money to friends and family using PayPal balance or linked bank account is also free. But if you fund that payment with a credit or debit card, PayPal charges a fee of 2.9% plus a fixed fee depending on the currency. So the personal payments, both platforms offer free options with bank accounts or balances, but fee kicks in if you use credit cards, and PayPal's fees tend to be a bit higher. And now let's talk about the second topic, which is receiving money for goods and services. Next, what about receiving payments for our business or selling items? Cash App charges a flat 2.75% fee on every payment received for goods or services. This fee applies regardless of the payment method your customer uses. PayPal's fee structure for receiving payments for goods and services is a bit more complex. It charges 2.9% plus a fixed fee per transaction. The fixed fee depends on the currency but is generally around 30 cents USD. For example, on a $100 payment, Cash App would charge 2.75 while PayPal would charge approximately $3.20. So Cash App tends to have a slightly lower flat fee, but PayPal offers more flexibility with additional features. Now let's talk about topic number 3. Instant transfers to bank. Both platforms offer ways to transfer money to your bank account instantly, but there are fees involved. Cash App charges between 0.5% to 1.75% with a minimum fee of $0.25 for instant transfers. The standard bank transfer is free but takes 1 to 3 business days. PayPal's instant transfer fee is a flat 1% of transfer amount, capped at $10 and transfers usually within 30 minutes. The standard transfer to a bank or debit card is free but can take 1 to 3 business days. So PayPal is instant transfer fees is slightly more predictable at 1%, whereas Cash App's fee varies but can be higher depending on the amount. Now let's go to the topic number 4. ATM withdrawal fees. If you use a physical card linked to these platforms, fees for ATM withdrawals also matter. With Cash App, using the cash card at an ATM costs 2.50 per withdrawal. However, if you receive $300 or more in direct deposits per month, Cash App reimburses ATM fees to 3 times in a 31-day period. PayPal Cash Card is also charges $2.50 ATM withdrawal fee. PayPal doesn't currently offer reimbursements on ATM fees. So for ATM withdrawals, fees are the same, but Cash App offers fee reimbursement if you meet direct deposit requirements. Now let's step into the step 5. So for the step 5, the topic is currency conversion and international fees. When it comes to sending or receiving money internationally, fees and exchange rates are crucial. Cash App is primarily designed for US and UK users and doesn't support international transfers outside these regions yet, so fees for international payments don't really apply. On the other hand, PayPal supports international payments across many countries but charges fees for currency conversion, typically around 3 to 4% above the base exchange rate. Additionally, there may be cross-border fees depending on the transaction. So if you regularly send or receive money internationally, PayPal offers more options but comes with higher currency conversion fees. Now let's talk about the topic number 6, which is cryptocurrency transactions. Both platforms allow cryptocurrency transactions but with different fee structures. Cash App lets you buy and sell Bitcoin, charging a service fee plus an additional variable fee depending on market activity. These fees can vary but are usually visible upfront. On the other hand, PayPal also allows buying and selling cryptocurrencies, and it charges a spread margin plus transaction fees. PayPal's fees can be higher depending on the amount and market volatility. If you plan to trade crypto frequently, it's important to compare both platforms' fees closely as they vary. Now, let's talk about the topic number 7, summary and which one to choose. So, let's sum it all up. For personal payments, both Cash App and PayPal offer free sending options with bank accounts or balances. For business transactions, Cash App charges a flat 2.75%, while PayPal charges 2.9% plus a fixed fee. Also, instant transfer fees are similar but vary in percentage or structures. Also, instant transfer fee but similar to their percentage and structure, and ATM withdrawal fees are equal, but Cash App offers reimbursements under certain conditions. PayPal supports international payments but with currency conversion fees, whereas Cash App is limited to the US and UK. Both have crypto fees that vary based on market activity. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and ring the bell if you want to get notified every time we upload any kind of tech tutorial videos. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.